Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. Okay, so this is your love reading ngayong September. Okay, the new person and the person on your mind. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung meron pa pong mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet, sa ating granter. Okay, and doon sa ating new item, pagdating sa cleansing, just message me. Okay, sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, let's start with the new person. Okay, new person. The one who is, you're getting interested, okay? Yan. Tingnan natin. The one you're eyeing. Let's see. How do you see this person, Taurus? Okay. How do you view them? How do you see? How do you view them? Tingnan natin. Okay. Ooh, Ace of Cups in reverse. Someone who is not interested. Acting na hindi interesado sa'yo. Yeah, pwedeng water sign. Okay. Why? Why the Ace of Cups in reverse? The Eight of Cups in reverse. There's a lot of, pwedeng wala kasing ginagawa, walang aksyon itong taong to. They're not putting any emotion, efforts pagdating sa'yo. Actually, you're not getting, sabihin natin, emotion from them in general. Okay? Yeah. The Ace of Swords in reversed. Napakalabo nito. Okay? Napakalabo. Some of you, iniisip mo na itong taong ito is may mga kakonek. Okay? Kaya hindi siya interesado sa'yo. Yun ang tingin mo. Okay? Pero, how do they view you? How do they see you? Let's see. How do this person sees Taurus? The Three of Wands in reverse. Ganun din. Wow, mutual. Tingnan natin. Tingin niya wala ka rin pakialam sa kanya. Yeah, your back is turned. Yeah, the Three of Wands in reverse. Why? Yeah, you're pareho kayo, hoy. Yeah. What? Wala ka rin pinapakita sa kanya actually na action. Okay? They see you as someone who is so matigas ang ulo. May mga ganon. Okay, may tingin din sila sa inyo na parang napaka-bossy mo. Cold. Yes. Yeah, that's how they see you. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. Wala silang mapapala like that. Kainaman naman itong energy na ito. Water sign, fire, earth. You're mirroring each other, I guess. I think you're mirroring each other. Yeah. Kasi ang tingin ko sa iba sa inyo, Taurus, medyo may pagkasuplado-suplada. Yeah. Yan ang tingin nila sa inyo. Suplado, suplada. Yeah. Yun na yun. Specific. Suplado ka daw. Suplada. Let's see. Ano bang ang emosyon niya towards you? Kasi you view this person, you see this person na someone na hindi sila interested sa'yo. Okay? Let's see. Grabe. What is their true emotion towards you, Taurus? The moon. Tago. secret. The moon. Some of them, they're confused. Some of them, yeah, you're mirroring each other. This is mirror. Kung makikita mo, mirrored. Diba? Napakamot ako doon. Why the moon? Oo, emotion niya is the moon. Yeah, the 7 of Wands. This person is confused as F. Yeah. This person likes you. Yes. Pero yun nga, ang nakukuha ko rito, kung ano ang nakikita niya sa'yo, yun din ang ipapakita niya sa'yo. But yeah, they like you. Hindi ka nito para bigyan ng pagtuunang pansin pag, 'di ba? Hindi ka para pagsayangan ng oras nito, pag-isip. Iniisip ka niya actually. Nag-expect itong taong to towards you, pero yes, you don't need to do anything kahit nag-expect to. Okay? I don't say that you have to do something. Okay? Alam nyo ang nakukuha ko dito. Diyan pa lang sa sitwasyon ninyo, parang hindi na kayo nagkakasundo or sabihin natin walang mangyayari. Ganon. Walang mangyayari dito sa amin. Yes. You're both guarded. I think you're both guarded. This is a waiting game. Ang hirap nan. We have here Pisces and fire sign. Okay. So what is their next action towards you? Taurus. What is their next action? The 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Not to give in to this. Sandali. Bakit? Bakit? Why the 6 of Pentacles is in the reverse? Yeah. Hopeless na agad to. Walang yes, this is a waiting game. This, yeah. Effing waiting game. Someone is waiting for someone to reach out, to take action. Someone is not ready. So, kung sino man yung hindi ready, ginagaya ka nito. Yung sabihin natin, hindi naman sa ginagaya na hindi rin siya ready. Or ginagaya niya na, ay okay, hindi rin ako magiging ready. Kasi mayroong naghihintay ng kahit hints man lang, kahit gestures, kahit clue. Yes. Wala siya nakikita. So, hindi siya gagawa ng kahit anong action towards you. Mga babae, mga palalaki. This is a waiting game. See, the 6 of Swords in reverse. But yeah, hindi sila alalayo. Pero yes, kahit konti. Umaasa. Oo. Humuhopya. Diba? Itong tao, yeah, they like you. Yeah, they like you. Alam nyo, patagal-tagalin nyo pa. Mga sakali. Okay? Mga sakali. Tingnan natin, Ang hirap naman ito. Yeah, this person likes you. Okay? Yun nga lang, pareho kayong nagkakapaan. Ay. Ano bang meron? Ito hindi ito para sa lahat, pero I'm channeling someone is already in a connection, pero hindi na naging okay yung connection na yon. Okay, so maybe that's the reason kung bakit hindi nagmo-move forward or nag-step forward yung isa, kasi nandun yung takot rin, nandun yung something, doubt, mga ganyan. Okay? Mga what if. Yeah. Okay? So, ano ang outcome? or advice for Taurus placements pagdating dito sa connection na to. Hard to budge. Yes. Yeah. Hi. Hindi ka lang. Oo, di ba tawa ng tawa. Ito of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita ko rito, wala pa rin komunikasyon, no? Oo. There's a lot of delays, a lot of, I don't know if this is talking about procrastinations. Yung pwede namang umaksyon, bakit pinipiling hindi? Parang ganyan. Okay, someone is afraid, okay, na mag-step forward. Parang ganyan. Okay? Ang sasabihin ko lang dito, kung isa sa inyo hindi gumawa ng hakbang para magka-connect kayo, asahan nyo na lang na miss opportunity itong connection na to. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, your friends, oo. Yeah. Someone is juggling. Kaya, ano to urong-sulong na. Oh, I don't know. Parang ganun yung kanta. Kanta, yung energy. I can't. The Knight of Cups, Universe, the Seven of Swords. Hanggang sa malumbay na lang to. Hanggang sa malumbay na lang. Okay? Wala akong makuhang advice dito. Wala. Stop juggling. Yun na lang. Stop juggling. Stop delaying. Okay? Open the line of communication kung kaya nyo. Yes. Okay? Kasi kaya hindi siya gumagawa ng way or hindi kanya kinakausap because you're maybe talagang tingin niya din sa'yo is hindi ka interested sa kanya. Yeah. This time, kailangan nyo ng kumemberlu. Okay? Yes! Oo, diba? Kailangan nyo na magbigay ng hints kung hindi nyo kayang maging straightforward sa taong to. Okay? Magbigay ng hints na gusto mo siya. Hindi naman masama yun. Ha? Okay? For me. Ewan ko sa inyo. Yes! Diba? Sino bang di nakagawa nun? Siguro meron din. So siguro it's up to you kung paano mo kukunin yung attention ng taong to. Okay? Pakita mo, kunyari may gusto tong taong to sa isang bagay, pakita mo na gusto mo rin yun. Like that, para makuha mo yung attention. Tinuruan. Hindi, kasi yun yung nakikita ko. Okay? You're just mirroring each other. Like, too silent. Maingay pa ako liglig sa inyo. Ha? Okay? Oo. So, yun ang akin nakikita. Kung wala kayong gagawin, well, tanggapin nyo na lang at yakapin ang miss opportunity. Ha? Okay? So, next, yung person on your mind. Okay? The person on Taurus mind. Anong meron? Okay. The person on Taurus mind. Let's see. What's with them? Okay. The person on your mind, Taurus. Anong meron sa kanya para malaman mong siya ito? Judgment in reverse, pwedeng Scorpio. May nag-end something, maybe a cycle. Or mayroon tong kailangan gawin. Okay, pero I don't know. Parang hindi pa niya ginagawa. What's with that Judgment? Yeah, the Knight of Swords, Universe, wala itong ginagawa. Okay? So maybe you're expecting something from this person, pero they're not doing it. Okay? So, a lot of disappointments ang naibibigay ng taong to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Some of them, they're not improving. There's no progress pagdating sa kanila. Scorpio and air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, so let's see. Ano bang situation ninyo ng taong to? Okay, the Page of Cups is in the reversed. Expression or emotions, hindi na-express maybe some of you. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Meron ditong talagang kailangang mangyari or gawin. Situation, may chance sana na magkaroon ng new beginning. Okay? Pero itong taong to, ito specific hindi mo naririnig sa taong ito na gusto niya ng new beginning, na gusto na niya na magkaroon ng improvement or progress sa inyong connection. And yes, some of them, they're not saying the what? The magic word, which is what? Yeah. Sorry. Okay? They're not doing it. That's specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Yeah, they're too stubborn. Too stubborn. Some of them, they're too immature. Okay? A lot of, sabihin nating false start, failed start. Parang ganyan. So, ano ba talagang emosyon nito towards you, Taurus? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, may chance na nagkakaroon ng SEX kahit hindi na kayo. Okay, or sabihin natin walang label, pero may nangyayaring ganun. Okay? Pero yun nga, hindi nagkakaroon ng leveling up. Yes, hindi ka man lang binibigyan ng label. Okay? So, ano bang emosyon nito towards you? The Three of Swords. Some of you, may mga energy ng third party involved. Okay? So, that is why they're not taking any actions towards the situations ninyo. Situation. Okay, what's with this Three of Swords? Yeah, the Empress in reversed. So, in general, may mga conflict, may mga issue itong taong to pagdating dyan. Like, pagdating sa situation, meron siyang mga rason. Okay, kung bakit hindi niya binibigyan ng progress yung inyong samahan. Okay? Yeah. Some of them, sabihin nating may third party. Or sabihin nating ikaw yung third party. Okay? Nilagay niyo yung sarili niyo sa role kung saan kayo, okay? This is not 100% your reading. Okay? This is not personal. Okay, so some of them, kaya hindi sila gumagawa ng action, it's just because sabihin natin may mga issue. Okay? It's because of the issue. Some of them, meron silang kakonek. Kaya hindi ka nila pwedeng bigyan ng label. This is so specific. Okay? Ayaw rin nila ng ganitong sitwasyon. Okay? So, what is their next action? Next action. The Four of Cups. Thinking. Overthinking. Why the Four of Cups? The Ace of Swords. Contemplating, parang ganon, parang pag-iisip. There is an energy of i-reject or i-ignore kung anong kailangan niyang gawin. Next action is to ignore the situation or hindi hahaya, or sabihin parang energy na parang hindi bibigyan ng oras yung mga dapat sabihin. Hahayaan niya. Parang ganyan. Okay? Overthinking. Pagdating dito sa Ace of Swords, what's that? What's with that Ace of Swords? Yeah, the Chariot. Ito yung action na kailangan niyang gawin pero hindi niya gagawin. Okay? Hindi niya yun gagawin. So, maybe, they're getting benefits from you and doon sa connect niya. So, wala siyang sasayangin dito. Okay? They want their cake and eat it too. Yeah, mga ganong energy. Okay? Paghihintayin ka ng paghihintayin. Pagdating sa answer, sa clarity, yeah. Okay. So, anong action or no? Ano ang outcome/advice for you, Taurus? Advice, please, for Taurus placements. Okay, the Queen of Wands. In reversed. Avoid nyo yung parang makokontrol ka na lang ng taong to. Oo ka na lang, hindi ka na lang. Okay? Avoid nyo yun. The Queen of Wands in reversed. Yeah, and the Two of Wands. Gumawa ka ng sarili mong desisyon dito. Okay? Wag mo hahayaan nga na parang may stuck ka. Okay? Sa ganitong sitwasyon. Okay? Wag mong ipapaalam or wag mong ipapakita sa taong ito na parang siya lang yung ginagalawan mo. Ginagawa mo na siyang mundo. Okay? Wag mong papaalam sa taong to na parang hindi ko kayang mawala ka. Parang ganun. Wag mong papakita yun. Nagagamit ka eh. Sa totoo lang, ginagamit ka niya. Okay? The Wheel of Fortune is here in reversed. Yung taong to, sabihin nating maraming conflict. Okay? Dumidikit ka sa taong maraming conflict, asahan mo, mahahawa ka dun. Sinasabi ko na. Okay? Sinasabi ko na. Mahahawa at mahahawa ka. Okay? Sa misfortune ng taong to, makakakuha ka rin ng misfortune. Yes, so it's up to you. Gusto mo bang ma-stuck sa ganon o magdesisyon para sa sarili mo? It's up to you. Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reverse, releasing yourself from mga ganitong situation. Okay? Pinapaasa ka niya sa new beginning or sabihin natin sa energy or sa connection na may label. They're not doing it. They will not give you. Okay, then the label o na gusto mo, they won't. Natatake advantage na lang siguro yung iba rito. Natatake advantage na tinatake advantage ka. Yeah, the Nine of Wands, the Six of Swords. Some of you, pagod ka na. Gusto mo nang umalis dito. Huwag ka nang kumuha or gumawa ng isang rason para magstay. Please. Okay? Again, na-shuffle natin. Ito na naman siya. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!